Okay, it's time to fix this broken HP power connector. That piece is gone. It's broken up, so it's time to take it out and replace it. So if you see those two screws supposed to be holding down the charging port, but it's actually broken off. This piece. See if I can. Yeah, see, it's broken off. Here's the new piece right there. And here it is. This goes to the laptop motherboard. Where we go? Yeah, this goes to the laptop motherboard, and this is where it broken off. See that? Yep. And these two metal clips on this end broken on off too. Right, I'm gonna replace the new piece. Order on eBay. All right, put the new connector on and power is working.